Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. That's Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. That's our website, Ophelia'sBlueVineFarm.com. Grandmother Ophelia! 597 videos, all dedicated to urban farming, including Pablo the Farm Cat. Pablo was catnapped. Farmer Mike tracked the thief and got him back. Check out that video on the channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, on our YouTube channel. Educational videos showing you how to thrive, survive, stay out of the hive, become self-sufficient, because you never know when you're going to need it. With all the turmoil in the world, all the instability, all the uncertainty, are you food secure? Do you know about growing your own food? Do you know about producing your own heat? Farmer Mike has all the tips on the channel. Masterclass! I'm feeling good. About to go in on this one. Of course, we got down here at Ophelia's before 10 o'clock this morning. So been serving the community. I think we're probably going close to 7. I'm gonna round up. 7 p.m. putting in the work, doing the things that others won't do in order to get the things that others won't have. Masterclass. Things that are complex always look simple. Write that down. Things that are complex always look simple on the surface. Let me take you inside Ophelia's. Check out that video of baby Noel eating grapevines that we grew right inside here in Ophelia's on the channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. I'm gonna take you inside and I want to show you. Oh, we spent all day, literally all day, working on these vines right here. And as you can see, I'm gonna come over a little bit closer right here. And this vine, this vine right here, as you can see, is trellised and it is spur pruned. It's gonna go all the way over there. And of course, this is a very thick vine. That's probably, what is that, 8 years? Okay. Why did it take so long? It took so long because every cut is totally unique. And what we're trying to do is basically, it's kind of like bonsai, actually. It is a bit of an art because you're thinking about next year right now. You're thinking about where the bud is going to break, where the grape clusters, how many grape clusters that you're going to have, whatnot, spacing, where the bud is going to push, how it's going to grow. Is it going to grow out that way? Is it going to grow out that way? Masterclass Farmer Mike going in today. I love it because on the surface, it seems simple, yet it's complex. Ooh, just like Ophelia's eggs. Of course, being able to bring you a beautiful product right here. Oh, Bonnie's watching. She didn't come down today. I think we burned Bonnie out. She didn't come down today. Bonnie's watching. But if she'd have came, we'd have had to put her to work. She said, shoot, I'm not fooling with you, Mike. I'm going to spend the rest of my vacation watching my grandkids. I'm not mad at you. I'll hold it down for you, Bonnie Jackson. I'll hold it down for you. Great day. Got a lot of work done. I'm feeling good because hell is coming. And so are you prepared? We're prepared. We're getting prepared. We're staying prepared. We're staying ahead of the game. That's really what it's all about. I want to show you some premium eggs right here. And of course, looks simple on the surface. Back to the master class. It looks simple on the surface, but it is complex. I did a live earlier today where I took you in the coop. I took you transparency. Took you in the coop. I showed you where we get the eggs. I showed you the condition of the hens. I showed you what I used to wash the eggs. I showed you the refrigerator we put the eggs in. You can't get any better than that. And there's a price associated to that. Let me show you these offers right here. So this is a 3-pack, the Freedom 3. The Freedom 3-pack. This is a $7 offer right there. I'm going to show you the, this is Ophelia's. Oh, and look at how nice that, the dozen. This Ophelia's dozen. Look at that. Beautiful, fresh, organic, a lot of labor, a lot of love. This, ladies and gentlemen, Grandmother Ophelia. Representation is important. What real food is, what real food tastes like. This is a $18 offer. And this right here, this is the premium. This is the $21 offer right there. And price associated, we're doing it right. It is what it is. We put in the work so you won't have to. And if you want it cheaper, then you can do it yourself. But I guarantee you're not going to want to do it when you find out everything that we have to do, the sacrifices that we have to make in order to bring you this product, the sacrifices that we have to make. We could be at home watching Netflix, but no, we're putting it in for you because urban agriculture is important, knowing true transparency where real food comes from is important. I feel like it's a drop the mic moment. Where's my mic? Do I have a mic in there? Let me see. Shall I go in? Bonnie Jackson said, should I go in? How did I do on that one? Did I do okay? Give me a thumbs up if I did okay on that one. I think she's going to give me a thumbs up. She's going to give me a chicken. I love these videos because this is a live, interactive video. And I know I got a mic in there somewhere. I'm feeling good. You know, it's freezing temperatures, probably about 30 right now, but I'm living in the spirit, living in the gift, knowing that we had a great year, and looking forward to another great year. And got a lot of work done, and as you can see on the outside, I'm going to show you outside of the greenhouse, you know, how it's going to be trellised. I'm imagining how it's going to look next year. It's kind of hard to do. Thinking years in ahead as far as the landscape, as far as the design. It's called thoughtful reflection. And sometimes you just have to sit back and you have to just imagine, you know, everything, including this chair right here was an idea. Thumbs up in the comment section. Somebody thought of that. I'm going in. Yes, they thought about it. They imagined it. And so it was. And so right here, I'm going to show you the outside vines, hopefully. Same thing again. Same thing. And it's splitting, and one end's going back that way, and then one end's going up here. Again, prune. Spur prune. It'll wrap around. I'm going to do something really dope on another container here, a 3D dimensional piece with the grapes being the main feature. And then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to take that one onto the back. Why am I doing that for, Mike? One, it's going to look dope. Two, shading. So as the sun comes up over here, all of this area, this is where my refrigerators and things like that are. It gets some pretty intense sun, and I'm gonna put a really big refrigerator over there, and we're gonna shade it naturally. So so I'm thinking. So it's kind of hard when you're thinking years ahead, right? How it's gonna look, especially with the planting, trees, and things like that. Things inside. Things inside. I better go in and turn that light off. Grandmother Ophelia would not like that. She would say, "Who left that light on?" I would say, "Grandma, how you know I was in the refrigerator?" Thumbs up in the comment section if your grandmother could hear you when you opened up the refrigerator. grandma could hear you when you open up the refrigerator. Let me go in. I'm having too much fun. I think I'm stalling till what is it? I think I'm stalling till 7. Let me go in here. If your grandmother could hear you when you open up the refrigerator, let me know in the comment section. But again, I'm gonna go through here. Right now, I'm gonna show you this. Of course, to show you this right now is an injustice, right? Because it looks like it's barren and it has no life. But we're stripping away. We can, in the fall, we can really look towards the architecture of whatnot of the vine and how we're pruning. And I'm gonna get a ladder and I'm gonna do this. This is gonna take a couple days, just the top part. But I got the bottom really how I want it, you know? And so each one of these is different, you know, the spacing, looking at the spacing, where I want to make the cut, where I want the clusters of grapes to fall, you know, so when Noelle comes over here, I want her to have a cluster there. I want to have a cluster here. I want a cluster here so when people come in, they can see and they can pick. Check out that video. Ed Jones was right up here eating these grapes. And that's on our YouTube channel. That was a live video. And I left the car running. Let me go back. I'm caught up. I'm caught up. Let me let the car running. Let me go back in here when somebody gets them a free ride. This is Kansas City. But again, oh, forgot my microphone. But again, it looks I don't know who that was. So again, it looks simple. It looks simple, but it's complex. And that is the point. That is the point. If you can make it look simple, if you can make something complex look simple, then you're winning. But again, I think it's really about putting in the work. Like grandmother Ophelia, who was a seamstress, and she often worked late hours, putting in the work. And there she is. That's our website, Grandmother Ophelia, the inspiration behind everything we do here. And maybe you have an inspiration behind you. Maybe it's your mother, like Ruby Jean's Juicery. Or maybe it's a mother or a grandmother. I believe his was a grandmother. So maybe it's a mother. Maybe it's a grandmother. Maybe it's just something that you love. Free rides. Pablo's driving. Pablo, where is he at? Pablo almost got a free ride. I left the car running. Pablo, he was holding it down. But I hope whatever you want to do in 26, you can do it. And hope Farmer Mike inspires you. And just keep going, and don't stop until you get there. I'm going to show you the eggs again. I've got some great offers for you. And it's hooked up through DoorDash. We got a 10-mile delivery area in Kansas City. You come down to the farm. You can pay with you can pay with no delivery fee. No delivery fee. So you can come and you can pick them. And this is the cost, the price of real food, what real food is, what real food tastes like. It's transformational, really. It's why I got into this. Not necessarily eggs, but to know what real food tastes like. And so when you bake with something like this, you bake with this product, when you, or any dish that you make, you know, you're going to be amazed because there's so much love, so much responsibility, so much care that goes into it. And you can taste that, right? Just like when you look at a building, you know, when you look at how something's designed, you can see the love that goes into it. I'm gonna show you these offers again. So if you're watching the replay, you know what we have to offer you. And I've got, this is the Freedom 3 line. The Freedom 3 line by Ophelia's. That's the Freedom 3 for $7. This is the Freedom Dozen. This is the Freedom Dozen. Laid. These were laid today. We sell weekly, though. Right there, that's Grandmother Ophelia right there. And this is an $18 offer, and this is our premium with the blue egg, the signature right there. That's the $21 offer right there. And the price of real food, the cost of real food. But again, nobody has transparency like we have. Nobody's taking you back to the coop live, showing you, showing you Oprah Winfrey sitting on the egg, not trying to give it up like that song says. You weren't trying to give it up. Nobody's doing that. True transparency is knowing where your food comes from, the conditions, and all of that. And so, again, it's not an everyday thing. Probably, it's not for everyone. It's for those special meals, those special moments with your family that that you want. I gotta get out of here, baby Noel. She's waiting on me. I had to put in the work for you, and that is a drop the mic moment. Ah, I love it. I love living in the gift. If you love living in the gift too, whatever it is that you do, let me know in the comment section, and I'll try to support you too as best I can. Farmer Mike live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Grandmother Ophelia and Pablo the Firm Cat. Yeah. Say, we're gonna call it a night, but we'll see you in the next video.